Packing process is here, and we can see so a lot of design. This combined with the we call like string of we call it keta, yeah, keta woven. Okay, everybody, we are here in the some village we call as Banyumulek. Banyumulek is in West Lombok. We will see my kind of design here. Yeah, this is after finish it. Just take a look. We don't know how to explain one by one the kind of the design of here. Okay, just take a look. So I think if this video is very important for you, you can subscribe my channel Gerbang Wisata. Yeah, I think this will be very important, the video. I will see to everyone. Yeah, to who, if you want to come here, before you come here, just you see my video. Yeah, I think this is for a candle. This is for a candle. A lot of design. Okay, everyone. After we see my video, just you can comment, like, subscribe, or you can share my video. And then don't forget, contact me if you want to come to this place. This place is Banyumulek village in Lombok. If you're interesting, just come here, and then yeah, you got something to buy. Okay, and this we call charet. This is the for water. This is for water drink. Okay, we are now here for the practice with the Sophie. Hello, Sophie. Yeah. So, how to make? Sophie, they make the turtle. Turtle. And I think the process is more enough time. Yeah? Okay, I see you again. The kind of the design here. If anyone interesting with the design, yes, you may contact me in the my link under this video. Very sunny. inside here. Ok, voilà, voici le small tortue. Yeah. Tortue. This is a fork or ashtray. Yeah. Many things, many kind. You can imagine what is the purpose of the kind, the design in this place. Okay, I will send this video to the Sophie, to my guest from the Holland. Yeah? Okay, before I close the video, maybe Sophie, you want to say something?
I'm making the turtle.
Say something.
Write your name.
Say about that your
I'm not
trip.
writing my name.
Yeah. Okay.
Here?
Here.
Okay.
Also, you can tell your trip today.
Yeah. I went rafting today. So it was really nice. To the jungle. So we had a nice trip. After that we went eating. It's also delicious. So and there are the pottery. And they're so beautiful. This is my
Okay.
turtle.
Thank you, Sophie, for your comment. Okay, just our video till here. I will close the video. Okay, everyone. If you're interested in the video, just you may like, subscribe, comment, or share. We close the video. Okay, bye bye. Meet you again in my video. Thank you. Bye bye.